This is my 2002 Honda Civic ES1. This video is to show you guys what the intake sounds like from the outside of the car. Basically, this car is completely stock engine-wise, except for an intake, and if you guys want to see more videos on this Honda Civic, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And in this video, you'll basically be able to hear what my Civic sounds like from the outside, and it sounds pretty good. What's up guys, welcome back to another awesome episode of JDM for All. This video is about this 2002 Civic. It is actually hard to believe that this ES1 Civic was actually completely stock just about 2 months ago, and now it is modded just enough that I am very happy with it. And in today's video, I'm going to let you guys hear what the Civic sounds like from the outside with just a short ram intake, and I think this car sounds very aggressive for only having an intake.